Hey guys, little sneak peek on the new version of PieMaster. What I did was to update the drawers to let you use them as library, folder library. So this is my ultimate character kit, and as you can see, this is pretty nice, like that. Okay, so if I put the mouse on it, I can append a link, place it at the cursor, and if I click, bam, I will have this object. You can add a drawer to anything, a pie menu, a layout menu, a simple menu, an object menu. As you can see here, I have a drawer, and it supports a subfolder, one path, all of this, and you can set the design exactly as you want. Okay, so you will have this result. And this is nice. So to do that, this is simple. For this, I created a simple menu. I choose a lock, because I want to see it all the time. I added a condition if I have no object or I'm in object mode. If I go in edit mode, as you can see, I don't see it. After that, you add a button. You choose drawer for the type. Here you will have a static or asset folder. I will choose asset folder. Add a path with all your assets. And bam, you will have this. If you have a thumbnail with the same name as the file, you will have it like that. If not, the add-on will try to use the screenshot from the blend file itself. Okay, so let's use it as auto. You can sort by name, date, etc. You can add less items, and with this you will have this to go through. That will work with the wheel mouse and the arrows from the keyboard. So let's enter this as previously. You can change the size of the thumbnail. Let's enter this, as you can see. Let's enter this to have the same size as this, to have something really clean. If, let's see, you are using a subfolder like this, you can change the width and the height. And after that, you can change the size of this directly here for the items. I will move this before the items, I think. Okay, so that's it. This is as simple as that. Do whatever you want. Add them to any menu you want. And like that, you have something really nice like this. Nice. Tell me what you think about this.